telling you, ladies and gentlemen, this morning we are kicking off the 20th anniversary of today's summer concert series, and our mystery guests were the first to ever.
Hey Lulu, what'd that do? Hey Pippi, what'd that do? Lulu, sit, baby. Oh, what a good puppy. What a good puppy. What is it, huh? What is it? What is it? You scared of it, huh? You scared of it? How is it following you? How is it following you? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going, Lulu? Where are you going? You going outside? You don't like this thing following you? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, she's going outside. So, there's her buddy. There's her buddy. Want to ride? Want to ride? Let me ride your loopy. Let me ride your loopy. Let me ride you, loopy. Let me ride you, loopy, huh? Let me kiss you.